African elephants, the gentle giants of the savannah, are the largest land animals on Earth. What makes them truly remarkable is their exceptional intelligence, complex social structures, and sheer size. These majestic creatures display remarkable empathy, with an ability to mourn their dead and form strong family bonds. Their enormous tusks, while awe-inspiring, have also made them vulnerable to poaching, making them a symbol of conservation efforts. African elephants are key ecosystem engineers, shaping their environment by creating water holes and clearing pathways for other animals. Observing their majestic presence and understanding their crucial role in the wild is a captivating journey into the heart of Africa's wilderness.